Liliana is the China CEO of Coach, an American fashion brand headquartered in Shanghai for its China operations. In recent years, the company has continued to expand rapidly in the Chinese market.
So we moved from 20 stores in 2012 to we nearly have 300 stores in market. We will continue to invest for the next 3 to 4 years. We are looking at 90 new stores. It's certainly doubling down.
For them, China is not just an important market, but also a source of inspiration for its global business and innovation.
China is a key market for us. We see so much opportunity, and that's beyond just Tier 1 cities. The business that we do in China really inspires our global business.
They are just one example of many American companies continuing to invest in China. Latest survey shows that over half of U.S. companies in China remained profitable in 2025, and 71% have no plans to relocate. So why are many American businesses doubling down on China? I spoke with the president of American Chamber of Commerce, Shanghai.
Simply put, China is so competitive. It has the entire package. We're talking about ecosystem, going from, infrastructure to manufacturing capacity to skilled labor force to government support. It's a total package. There are over 70,000 American companies operating in China with total investment about 1.2 trillion US dollars. Most of our companies feel pretty confident about their operations in China.
China's excellently talented developer community is pushing the limits of innovation every day. And we're inspired by the many ways Chinese developers are using technology to build tools that help people learn valuable skills, manage their health, and bring new ideas to life.
We do research now, I think, on 400 Chinese companies. We're a long-term investor here, and we'll continue to grow.
This is also reflected in the growing number of American companies choosing to deepen their presence in China. Leading enterprises including Tesla, Corning, and AstraZeneca have continuously increased investment, expanded production and R&D in China, signaling long-term confidence in China's economic resilience, industrial ecosystem, and growth potential.
The role that we play as businesses, showing up in a responsible way between our countries, keeps that dialogue constructive. What we see in the market is we see that we can build relationships with consumers. Again, that's that human-to-human connection, I think, brings everything down to a playing field that is very constructive. And I continue to hope for more constructive dialogue between the two countries.
We're talking about two largest economies in the world, right? We have a significant trading relationship. I think the bilateral trade amounted to almost 600 billion US dollars. They are making progress, and I think talking to each other by the two governments is very helpful. So we definitely support more engagement by both sides so that we can move towards a more stable policy environment in the near future.